Hi, everybody. This is Robin Miller with the KyCPA. This is your weekly roundup for the week of October 16th. We've got a lot to share as usual. We'll just jump right into it. Hope you're all having a good week so far. First and foremost, wanted to talk to you about our CPA virtual exam workshop that's free this week, October 19th. So if you are a student pursuing your CPA exam, this is a great way to get all the practice you need for that. That is being presented by us along with Becker Professional Education. From an events perspective, we continue on our networking events across the state. On October 18th, we are going to be in Newport, 5 to 7 Eastern time, and we will be at the Wooden Cask Brewing Company. On October 19th, we're going to be in Ashland at the Bourbon and Tomcat Brewhouse. And on October 30th, we will be in Lexington at Goodwood. All of these are Eastern time. They're all from 5 to 7. They are free for KyCPA members and just a great way to blow off some steam, come out, network, be with your colleagues, and all of those kinds of things. We will continue on those October and November. We also have the CFO Roundtable happening this Friday, October 20th. So if you are interested in being part of an intimate kind of mastermind sort of approach to a conversation about all things in your job, if you are a CFO, we would love to have you join that cohort, which meets again this Friday, October 20th. And then we have our October 24th Singo Bingo that is being put on by the Women's Initiative for the KyCPA Educational Foundation. It's a fundraiser for them. It's bingo with a song twist. Singing is encouraged, but not required. Should be a lot of fun for you guys to come out for that. That is going to be held at the Kentucky Society offices. So just wanted to let you know about that. That's at 5 p.m. Eastern time, and that's $15 per person. It includes food and drinks and raffle prizes, and that is a fun event. So definitely put that on your list. October 27th is our fall awards banquet. Cocktail hour begins at 6 with the dinner and the banquet to follow at 7. That is being held at the Brown Hotel. And if you'd like to get registered for that, we would love to have you there. That's always a nice time to celebrate all of the exam passers and all of those things. We have something new to talk about this week. The Emerging Professionals, a social for Lexington on November 8th is going to be held at District 7 Social Club. So that's a free event for KyCPA members who are 40 and under. So definitely sign up for that if you qualify in that way. And then from a conference perspective, again, we've been talking about this for a couple of weeks. We have 20 hours of CPE to offer you for this conference, the Forensic and Valuation Conference. That's October 23rd through 25th. So much to do, lots to talk about, but we'll stop there for today. Please take advantage of all these great member benefits and have a great week, everybody.